Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I just have a very quick video for you guys today. This is my 12 Little Companion backpack in the blush. Now we do stock this at Zahramay Boutique and it has been very popular, especially this particular color, because it's a really pretty light pink and it's a very subtle color. So I have this packed up today for my 2-year-old and myself, and I have to say this is probably one of my favorite little backpacks. I have done a review video and comparison with this one and the Jujube Mini Bee, as well as the 12 Little Mini on the Go, which is another little bag that I love as well. It's very hard to choose these days which one I want to take on a daily basis, but this one I did pack up today, and we went and had breakfast, and I went to Toys R Us to grab some gifts for my 8-year-old son who's turning 9. Unfortunately, Toys R Us in Australia is shutting down, and I'm so sad about that because it's basically an era that is coming to a close here in Australia. I know it's shut down in America a few years ago, but anyways, I digress. So this bag worked really, really well. It is so comfortable. It is probably the most comfortable little backpack this size that I have worn in a while. So let me just show you guys how I ended up packing it up, my favorite way of packing up this particular bag. So on the front here is a little fob that I made myself. This is just with some silicone beads and a little silicone feather and some silver hardware. The bag does have rose gold hardware and little vegan leather zipper pulls, which is really nice. This is a plastic zipper, and even though it's a plastic zipper, it's a really nice quality, so I have no problems with the zippers or anything on this bag, honestly. This is a vegan leather little logo here, which is really it's really nice. It just goes with the bag really nicely. So if you're not familiar with the Little Companion, it's basically a smaller version of the Companion backpack, which I do love as well when I have more children with me. And it's very basic. So you have a mummy pocket at the front here. This is a quilted material, by the way, and it is wipeable. They don't say to put this in the washing machine. I haven't yet had to clean mine, so I'm not entirely sure how well it cleans off. It's supposed to just wipe off really nicely and really easily. So anyway, so that's what 12 Little instructs people to how to clean their bags. So you do have a mommy pocket here. You do have 2 bottle pockets, one on each side that are insulated, and these are a nice size. They do fit bottles really easily, so because they are elasticized and they do come out. You have a very thick seat belt webbed handle at the top, and you have some nice padded backpack straps, and these are quilted padded, plastic adjusters and seatbelt material underneath the padded part, attaches on the side. No pockets on the back here and no feet on the bottom, but that's okay because it is just a tiny little backpack designed for children, but adults can wear it as well. So what I have in the front pocket here is just some, quick go essential things that I reach for most of the time. As you can see, you've got the 12 Little print on the inside here, which is all the 12 zodiac signs, but they're more kind of a child style drawing, but I think it's adorable. So I've got my iPhone 10 standing up right there. I also have my Tokidoki coin purse with my lipstick and lip gloss and such, and then I have a mini Y pouch in the donuts and ice cream print, and these fit really well in here. I could even pop in a few other things if I wanted to. There's a lot of room in that pocket, to be honest. And on this side I have my Fugu thermos drink bottle. So you can see these bottle pockets are really generous. And then on the other side I just have my keys. I could pop another drink bottle in there too, and it would not really push into the bag much at all because these pockets are nicely designed. So I'll just go into the center now. So it does have 2 zipper pulls, so that's really nice, and this does fold down really nicely too. I love the way this bag opens because you can see everything in there really easily. So I'll just pop the camera up a tiny little bit more so you can see more into the bag and see what I've got packed inside. Very simple organization. You have a mesh pocket at the back here, then you have 2 pockets at the front. So I'll just go through the middle section first. I do have my Kate Spade lacy wallet, and I've also got a Go Stack container here. Now this is part of the starter pack, and I am ordering some more of these in. We sold out very quickly at Zahramay Boutique, but I am ordering some more this week, so hopefully there'll be some restock and also some different colors coming in. And the only other things I have is a custom made play pack holder. I just have some play packs and crayons in there for my little girl. She's really into drawing and stickers. She just likes pulling the stickers off and sticking the stickers on. And also a Y pouch, 30. I'm not sure what this print is, but I do really like it. I think it goes really well. Now I do have the Donatella print coming, so when I get that, I'll do a couple of videos with that one just to show you guys up close what it looks like. But I think this looks really nice too. It's kind of more of a pastel-y, artsy looking print. And then this mesh pocket at the back here, this is where I just keep my nappy things, or diaper things. So I do have a 12 little change pad. Now this is from my Camo Companion backpack, and I love these because they are really soft and they're not memory foam or anything, but they're really nice, and it's a good decent size. And it's not huge, but I mean for Clara I just put it under her bottom. I don't need to put her whole body on the change pads anymore, so that works well back there. And I just have 2 size 5 disposable nappies. And as you can see, there is a name tag back here too, so if your kids were taking this bag to school or on vacation or anything like that, you can put your details there. Let's turn the bag around so you can see this here. So there are 2 pockets here which are really cool. In this one I do have my small set piece by Jujubee with my Mommy Med kit and essentials needs. And then I have a hand sanitizer which goes right next to it. And then on this side I have a Hello Kitty coin purse with disposable baggies and a rose-colored glass coin purse with my hairbrush and hair ties. So that's everything out of my little companion. Now I'll just pack it up on camera so you guys can see how everything goes in there so easily. And done! So I really do love these little bags. I think they are so comfortable for adults and for children. So I do have a couple of on the body pictures that I'll pop up now for you to see what it looks like on me. I am 5'9" and probably a size 12 Australian, and it's about a size 10 US. So if you guys enjoyed that video, if you have any questions or comments, please pop them below, and I'll see you next time. Thanks a lot guys, have a great day. Bye!